Hello everyone. In this part 1 of applications of integrals, I'll explain you about the area under the simple curves. So let's start with the first consideration, that the way of finding the area bounded by the curve y is equals to fx, x-axis and the ordinates x is equals to a and x is equals to b. To find out the area of such figures, let us suppose we have this figure, y is equals to fx is a function for which the curve is like that, and this is the x-axis and this is the ordinate x is equals to a and this is the ordinate x is equals to b. Whenever we have to find out the area under to this curve, first of all we will take a small strip. Let us consider this strip is y. This strip of length is y, and because of this width is we are considering dx. Now if we have to find out the area of this rectangle, then we will say dA is equals to y dx. dA is equals to y dx. There are so many strips like that. It means to find out the whole area, it means we will find out the, if we will say the whole area is A, then we will say whole area is given by integration ordinate x is equals to a to b dA. It means what we will say, it means the area is equals to a to b y dx. So this is the way to find out the area under the curve. Second way, if we have to find out the area A of the region bounded by the curve x is equals to gy, y-axis and the lines y is equals to c and y is equals to d, then in the similar way we will take this strip. It means this width is dy, this length is x. It means we will say whole area A is equals to integration c to d gy dy. Another very important point, if anyhow the area bounded by the curve y is equals to fx, x-axis and the ordinates x is equals to a and x is equals to b is below the x-axis, then because we have to take the numerical value positive, it means whatever the process we were applying here, same process we have to apply, only we have to find out the absolute value of the whole area. So wherever we are finding that the area is below the x-axis, then to find out the area we will take the modulus. Same way for the area of the region by the curve, if we have one part above the x-axis, for this we will not take the modulus. Only modulus we have to take if it is coming below the x-axis, in case the curve y is equals to fx, x-axis and the ordinates x is equals to a and x is equals to b. So related to this explanation, let's start to solve some questions. Look at this thing. First question, if we have to find out the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square. Now first of all, look at this thing. If we are considering this circle where this is the center, x square plus y square is equals to a square. In this case we can say x minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square is equals to a square. It means the center for this circle is 0 0 and the radius is a. Now to find out the area of this whole circle, first of all we will take this small strip. Let us suppose this ordinate is y and the width is dx. Width is dx. Now we will find out the whole area only for this quadrant, and when we will find out the whole area of this quadrant, then because of similarity or because of symmetry we will find out the area of this portion on the similar way. It means we will multiply by 4, because this and this parts are the symmetrical parts. It means for this, what will be this? 0 and the ordinate this is a. It means this length is a. It means the ordinate will be x is equals to a. It means the whole area, or you can say required area, is equals to, what is the required area? Required area A is equals to integration 0 to a y dx. We are taking this strip length of this one is y and the breadth is dx. Now from given equation we will put the value of y. It means 0 to a. What is this thing? Y means under root a square minus x square dx. We are taking the positive value of y only because we are in first quadrant. Now first of all we will take the integration. What is the integration of this? X upon 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2. And what is this? Sine inverse x upon a. And this is integration 0 to a. Now first of all upper limit. In case of upper limit, look at this thing a. It means this is 0 plus a square by 2 and 4 times of this thing. What is this? 4 times. It means the whole area. This is also 4 times. This is also 4 times. This is 0 and this is a square by 2 sine inverse 1 and minus. This is x by 2 means 0 only and plus a square by 2. And what is this? Sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 0 means 0 only. Therefore a is equals to 4 into a square by 2 and sine inverse 1 means pi by 2. It means area of this circle is pi a square. And this is the answer. So in this way we can find out the area of the any figure. Only we have to apply this concept. Now look at this thing. We will solve this b part. In this b part, what they are saying, we have to find out the area of the region bounded by the line 2y is equals to, first question b part, 2y is equals to minus x plus 8, x axis and the lines x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4. First of all, to find out the area of this, first of all we will draw the simple figure for this line. Let us suppose this is x, this is y. If x is 0, what is y? Y is 4. And if y is 0, it means x is equals to 8. It means first of all we will draw the figure 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Now look at this thing. If x is 0, y is 4. And if x is equals to 8, y is equals to 0. And if x is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. So this is 0 4, this is 8 0. Now draw this line. It means this is the line of this is the line for this equation. Now what they are saying, and the lines x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 means this part, and x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 means this part. It means we have to find out the area under this curve. It means area of this. Again for this, first of all we will take this strip. Let us suppose this strip of length y and the width is dx. It means the area of required figure, area of required portion is equals to, what is this? A is equals to integration of y dx, and we have to extend the limits from, what is this? We have to 2 to 4. It means lower limit is 2 and the upper limit is 4. Now from first equation we will find out the value of y. It means y is equals to half integration 2 to 4, and what is this? Minus x plus 8, and this is dx. Now a is equals to, what is this? Half. First of all find out the integration. What is the integration? Minus x square by 2, and this is plus 8x, and the limit is 2 to 4. Now first of all we will put the upper limit. Upper limit means, what is this thing? 4. It means minus 16 by 2 means minus 8, and this is plus 8 4 ja 32. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit means 2 square means 4. It means this is minus 2 and this is plus 2 8 ja 16 and this is 16. It means a is equals to, what is this? Half of 32 minus 8, 24, minus, what is this thing? 14. 24 minus 14 means 10. It means area is equals to 5 square units, and this is the answer. Look at this thing. This is minus 14 and this is 24. It means area of this figure is 5 units, 5 square units. Now let's start to do the solution of C part. Now in this C part, we have to find out the area of the region bounded by the line y minus 1 is equals to x, the x-axis, and the ordinates x is equals to -2 and x is equals to 3. Now first of all, we have y minus 1 is equals to x. To draw the graph of this line, first of all, we will take the points. Let us suppose this is x, this is y. If x is 0, what is y? 1. And if y is 0, if x is 0, what is y? 1. And if y is 0, what is x? -1. Now, to find out the area, first of all, look at this thing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is -1, -1. Now, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. And if x is equals to -1, y is equals to 0, it means we have this line. Now, another is x is equals to -2 and the x is equals to 3. X is equals to -2 means this, x is equals to 3 means this. It means anyhow we are taking 3 this part. It means this is the portion x is equals to 3 and this is the part, what is this? X is equals to -2. Now look at this thing, we have to find out the area of this whole part. For this portion we will take the strip y1 and for this portion we will take the strip, let us suppose this is of height length y2. Now look at this thing, overall if we have to find out the area, it means we will say the area is given by, look at this thing, we have this equation and in this equation what we are observing, we have to find out this point. What is this? This point. Because once we will find out the coordinate of this point, then we will find out the first of area from this to this portion and then from this to this. For this, if we will put x is equals to 0 in this part, then what we are going to, we have already x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. On x-axis, y is always 0. It means x is equals to -1. It means this is -1. So first of all, area of this -2 to -1. And what is this? y1 dx. Because this is under the x-axis, it means we will take the whole modulus of this. And then plus integration -1 to 3. And what is this? y2 dx. In each case, this is the line and this is the line. It means first of all, we will put the value of this -2 to -1. What is the value of y1 from here? X plus 1 and this is dx. And for this part, what we have to find out, -1 to 3 and what is this? X plus 1 dx. Now, area is equals to integration. What is this integration? X square by 2 and what is this? Plus x and the limit is from -2 to -1 and plus what is this? X square by 2 plus x and the limit is from -1 to 3. Now a is equals to, first of all, upper limit means 1 by 2 -1, then lower limit, what this become? 4 by 2 means 2 and this is -2 and then plus, what is this? For this portion, upper limit means 9 by 2 plus 3 and lower limit, what this become? 1 by 2 and this is -1. Now a is equals to, what is this? This is 1 by 2 -1 means -half and this is already 0 plus what this become? This is after taking LCM, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 9, 15 by 2 and this is minus, this is 2, after taking what this become? -half, -half means plus half. And this is a is equals to, we will take the positive sign, 1 by 2 plus what this become? 8 and after taking LCM this becomes 17 by 2 square units and this is the answer. So this is the way to find out the area of the curve if it is below the x-axis. So on the basis of this explanation, you have to solve the other questions also. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.